If you swipe down from the top right corner of your Motorola phone, you'll see how a lot of the screen is reserved for your notifications. And on the very top, you have a couple of buttons for your quick settings, but not much. You could swipe down again to reveal more quick settings, but there's also a way to change the behavior, so you will get more quick settings with a single swipe without having to look at your notifications. Before we get to that, another cool trick is that you can swipe down with 2 fingers and it goes straight into this view. But let's look at the other option, because personally, I like that a lot more. We're going to go to Settings, and then from there, we're going to scroll down to Home and Lock Screen. And then we're going to select Control Center. And here, we can choose the style. There's a classic style, where it shows both your quick settings and your notifications on the same screen, or we have a modern style. And personally, I like this a lot more, because now, when I do that single swipe, my entire display is dedicated to the quick settings, which I usually need a lot more than I need my notifications. So now I have more toggles here, and there's more room for your buttons, which of course you can customize with the little pencil icon here. So I can tap the pencil button and edit my quick settings, which includes adding more buttons or just rearranging the existing buttons. In case you're wondering where the notifications go after this, you can just swipe down from the left side of your display, and there's all your notifications. Swipe down from top right, you'll get all your quick settings. Nice and easy. And that's it, really. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more cool guides like this. Thanks all. Until next time.